Guys, so this was in my Christmas haul yesterday, a helicopter. This is my brother trying to take his off. This is how it takes off. My parents are talking, I'm sorry. But, this is cool. Guys, look at it. Oh. And it's dramatic when it crashes into the wall. So, look it. Oh God. That's it. And yeah, there's a lot of ornaments on the ground, aka due to us. Come on. Woo! Take off. This video is gonna be short. I'm only gonna last it 1 more minute, aka in a couple of seconds. Just take off. As you can see, when it crashes into the wall, it will dramatically die. Let him demonstrate. He does not. Sometimes these controllers are hard to do, and when it crashes, that happens. As you can see, it went over here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys this. Bye. Also, make sure you guys subscribe.